Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. For this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create an Amazon account. So for that, open a Google browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar, type in amazon.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Here on the official web page, you need to click on your account. Here on the official web page, you need to click on Hello Sign In. Click on Sign In. So as we are going to create a new account, what you need to do is you need to click on Create Your Amazon Account. Then here, to create the account, you will need to provide all the details. Type in your first name, below you need to type in either your phone number or the email address. I'm gonna type in my email address over here, and then below type in the password. Re-enter the same password as above for the confirmation. Once all it's done, you need to click on verify email. Click that. Now here you need to go through some verification process over here. Complete the verification process. And a one-time password will be sent to the email address. So you need to go and check your Gmail. Click open the Gmail. There's the mail. You need to copy this code from the mail and type in over here on the text box. Then click verify. Now then you will need to provide the phone number. So click on the drop down menu on the left side and then choose your country code. Then you type in the number and click on add mobile number. A one-time password will be sent to your number. You type in that password in the enter OTP. Click on create your Amazon account. And you will get logged in into the account. So this is how you can create your Amazon account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.